Hello friends, you all are welcome to the seventh part of our English root word, and today we will learn the large number of the words from the one root. And today we have the root words esent, essent, which means to become, grow up, and many more. To adult, to become adult, perfect. Large number of the words we can say and add the meaning of the essent, and we have the five words: evanescent, adolescent, putrescent, senescent, and obsolescent. These are built on the same root essent. So let us start with the first root, evanescent. Evan, which means to disappear. Essent means to become. So which become, disappear, which become, disappear is called evanescent, which means temporary things, temporary, transient. So things which happen and which live for very short period of time are known as evanescent. Also it is called the ephemeral, like insects which live for very short period, one day life, is called the evanescent, which lies for very short period of time, evanescent. Now adolescent, adol means to grow, and evanescent means becoming. So to become adult, so adolescent is generally the period of 7 to 8 years, from 13 to 19 generally, or 20 years, in the period when the children grow up to become an adult. So this is a phase between childhood and adultcy. So adolescent means becoming adult or grow up to become adult. Now putrescent, putre means to rot, decay, and scent means become. To become rot or decay, you can say stale, which is not fresh, like vegetable, become putrescent after some days. To become decay, to become rot, to become out of use, to become oxidize, have some foul smell, become garbage, are called the putrescent. or garbage also putrescent. Now senescent, senes means to old, and ent become. So senescent simply means become old. So when the person grow up from adultcy, generally above 60 years of age, so the person who is above 60 years of age are called senescent, which means becoming old. So use this term with very carefulness, because you will be beaten up by someone whom you say senescent, because it is generally a derogatory term. It is a derogatory term, which means it is used to ridicule someone. So senescent means becoming old. Now obsolescent, obso means out of order. Yeah, time, you can say. Nent become. So become outdated, you can say become haphazard, you can say become banal, unimaginative. So it is outdated. You can say cycle has become outdated, which has been replaced by motor car. So obsolete is means becoming outdated. Black and white film, black and white film is also outdated. Black and white film is obsolescent, because black and white film is outdated. So we can say obsolescent is outdated things. You can outdated fashions. So obsolescent is also outdated fashions. I hope you all have learned these words, and please subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you.